back to my channel, Real Ball. And today I'm going to be showing you some slime. Now, when I did a video of my slime, but I was so mad, the video deleted. So I have to do another one. But anyway, yeah, my video. So I'm going to show you the purple one. Okay. But anyway, this is purple lavender. Alright? Purple lavender. So now if you don't get that thing,
It only
that's why. Okay. And so this is it. Let me bring it down. Bring it down. But anyway, this is the slime right here. And it makes a sound.